So ladies and gentlemen, in the last video, we looked at how we can create the average using the average function in Microsoft Excel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use the average a function in Microsoft Excel. This is used to calculate the average or arithmetic mean of a given set of numbers, including numbers, logical values, and text representation of values. I mean of numbers. So here I have these values which have been used, which I'm going to use as sample values. So when you see the function, first of all, includes any number of arguments separated by commas and ignores any argument that are not valid. So here I'm going to put my average a. I'm going to calculate the average a function. Average a function. So first of all, I enter equal sign, then I type average a. Then the average a will return the average, which is the same as mean, of each argument, evaluating text and false in argument as 0, and then true evaluates as 1 argument that can be numbers, names, arrays, or reference. So go ahead and open the bracket. So select the first value and then go ahead and select the other values by extending outside the series. And then I have the range now ranging from C23 to C31. Close the bracket. And then after that, enter. And now you see I have the average. So this average now is what we call the average A. This is what we call the average A. So what you need to know is that this formula will return the average of all the numeric and text values in the range C23 to C31. I repeat, this formula here you see in the formula bar, it will return the average of all the numeric and textual values. Textual values, I mean like Peter pays $12, and then I have ABC, all those are text values. So to return the average of all the numeric and text values in that range. And when that happens, that's what we call the average A. So in the next video, we shall look at other formulas that are related to this, and we'll see how we can advance on our skills. Thank you. Let's catch up in the next video.